Kenya's trade relation with South Africa has remained lopsided, with the former relying heavily on imports from the Southern African powerhouse. In 2015, Kenyan exports to South Africa totaled 4.3 billion, while some 61.3 billion shillings worth of goods were imported into the country. President Jacob Zuma's first official state visit to Kenya is expected to put policymakers and businessmen together to find ways of narrowing the gap, with Kenyan business eyeing easy access to the South African market. According to sources within Foreign Affairs, the Development Bank of South Africa has expressed interest in investing in the LAPSET project.
Discussions are going on with a variety of interested parties, and if any parties from South Africa are interested in LAPSET, we'll definitely have a discussion with them as well.
Some of the MOUs to be signed will revolve around security and defense, trade and immigration.
Every discussions that come into play of necessity deal with the environment for doing business, and the fundamental discussion is whether the environment is right for those services to be provided to the population, and therefore discussions around security become paramount.
Currently, Kenyans part with 4,900 shillings as a visa processing fee, while South Africans, on the other hand, have been able to access the country freely for business and pleasure.
Movement is a domestic jurisdiction matter, and so every country has its own historical context or policy history that they have to consider. But I can confirm here that there has been a lot of discussion, and it is our hope that we can ease the conditionalities for Kenya going into South Africa.
President Jacob Zuma will on Tuesday afternoon address the Kenya-South Africa Business Forum, where issues on how to grow trade between the two countries, which is currently in favor of South Africa, will be discussed. Mumbi Warui, Monday Special.